Hi, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm really excited to share a fantastic story about a girl named Maya who discovers her sister's diary full of life lessons that hit hard. Let me tell you, this one will tug at your heartstrings and will definitely make you rethink something there. Let's get started. The afternoon sun came in through Maya's window. It was a slow, lazy Saturday. Maya, 17, was cleaning her room. While pulling out stuff under her older sister Lena's bed, she found an old, dusty diary. Lena was away at college. Maya opened the diary. On the first page, she saw a title written in big, neat letters, "A letter to my 15-year-old self." Lena wrote this when she was 17, for her 15-year-old self? Maya thought. That's exactly my age now. And Lena is 19 now. Maybe this can help me. Maya started reading. Lena's handwriting was easy to read. Dear 15-year-old me. You're still young. You have a lot to learn. I didn't know these things when I was your age. So now I'm writing them for you. 1. Don't act like someone else just to fit in. Remember that time you tried really hard to join the cool group? You started wearing clothes you didn't even like. You laughed at jokes that weren't funny. You even stopped talking to Sarah, your real friend, just because she wasn't popular. After that, Sarah found new friends. You were left with the cool group, who didn't even care about you. Fitting in made me lose someone who truly knew me. Maya stopped reading for a moment. She thought about her own friends. Sometimes, she also felt pressure to act a certain way. I don't want to lose real friends, she whispered. It's better to just be myself. 2. Learn to use your time better, not just do things when you feel like it. You had a big history test. But you felt lazy. You told yourself, I'll study later. You watched TV shows for hours instead. The next day, you felt nervous. You didn't study enough. You failed the test. Your grades dropped. Time doesn't wait for you to feel ready. Maya sighed. This felt familiar. Her desk was full of school books she hadn't touched in days. Her phone was always in her hand. I really need to stop saying later, she told herself. 3. Don't post everything on social media. One day, you took a funny photo of Dad sleeping on the couch. You posted it online with a funny, kind of mean caption. Your friends laughed. But Dad saw it. He got upset and angry. You both had a big fight. He didn't talk to you for days. It took a long time for him to forgive you. The internet remembers what your heart later feels bad about. Maya's eyes opened wide. She often posted things without thinking too much. Sometimes she even made jokes about her parents. I need to be careful, she thought. Once it's online, it stays there. 4. Spend more time with your parents, before you don't get the chance. You were always busy with friends. Family dinner? No thanks. Family trip? Too boring. Then, one night, Dad got really sick. He had to go to the hospital. You finally understood how much you loved him. You stayed by his side every day, wishing you had given him more time before. Luckily, he got better. We think family will always be there, but sometimes they're not. A small tear came down Maya's cheek. She often felt like her parents didn't understand her. But they loved her anyway. I should call Mom and Dad now, she thought. Just to say hi. 5. Don't ignore how you feel inside. During exam week, you felt really stressed. Your head hurt. Your stomach hurt. You couldn't sleep well. But you kept saying, I'm fine. I don't need help. One morning, before an exam, you had a panic attack. You couldn't breathe. You had to leave the room. You sat alone in the bathroom crying for a long time. After that, you talked to the school counselor. It helped so much. Crying alone isn't being strong. Asking for help is. Maya felt a heavy feeling in her stomach. She often felt worried about school but never said anything. She always tried to hide it. Maybe it's okay to talk about my feelings, she thought. Lena was right. 6. Read more books. Don't just scroll your phone all day. For weeks, you spent hours every day on your phone. You felt tired and bored all the time. Then one day, Aunt gave you a novel about a strong girl. You started reading it. The story was amazing. It changed the way you thought. You started feeling stronger. That one book made you believe in yourself more. Books don't just teach you, they help you grow. Maya looked at her phone, then at the bookshelf in the corner. She used to love reading when she was younger. Maybe I should start reading again, she smiled. 7. Don't wait to be ready before you start something. You had a cool idea for a blog about teenage life. You thought, I need to be better at writing. I need a nice blog design. I'll start next month. You kept waiting for the perfect time. Later, you saw Sarah, your old friend, start a blog. It was almost the same idea as yours. She started small and just kept going. Her blog became really popular. Waiting made me lose my chance. Fear was pretending to be later. Maya felt sad reading this part. She also had ideas, like starting a small business, learning a new language. But she always said, I'm not ready yet. I don't want to miss my chance too, she thought. Lena lost her chance because she waited too long. Maya finished the letter. Her eyes were full of tears. This wasn't just advice. It was a map. A gift from her sister, made with real stories and feelings. She picked up a pen. On the last page of Lena's diary, under her sister's name, Maya wrote, Dear future me, I heard you. I'll start now. Here are 10 simple and important phrases from the story, along with their meanings. Act like someone else. Meaning, pretend to be a different person to fit in. Fit in. Meaning, to be accepted by a group or to belong. Use your time better. Meaning, manage time well and not waste it. Do things when you feel like it. Meaning, only work when you're in the mood, not when you should. Post everything on social media. Meaning, share all your thoughts or photos online. Before you don't get the chance. Meaning, before it's too late or something changes. Ignore how you feel inside. Meaning, not care about your emotions or mental health. Scroll your phone all day. Meaning, keep using your phone for hours without purpose. Don't wait to be ready. Meaning, start now, even if you don't feel fully prepared. Miss my chance. Meaning, lose a good opportunity. Which phrases did you learn today? Drop in the comments and let me know. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more amazing stories.